Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have my Ipsy Plus for you. There was a whole debacle. Is that the right word? Debacle? Anyway, there was a whole debacle today. And with my Ipsy. First of all, I have eyeliner on my shirt because I'm a slob. And I was putting eyeliner on and somehow I dropped it and it landed on my shirt. Second, I had a whole thing with Ipsy this month. For some reason, my Ipsy bag and my Ipsy Plus were sent to the wrong city. It was the same address, but they sent it to the wrong city. And then when I got in touch with them, they're like, oh, we're so sorry about that. We usually don't do this, but we'll make an exception and we'll send you your Plus and your bag. And I was like, you usually don't do this? So usually when people pay for their stuff and it gets sent to the wrong address, you don't replace their products? Okay, it ended up sending me my stuff, but they only sent me one email with one like shipping confirmation. There wasn't a tracking number in there, so I'm just saying shipping confirmation. And I only got my Plus. So I don't know what happened to my bag. I'm assuming it's gonna be here, but I don't know if it will. And another thing that's going on is I have eyelash glue in this eye, and it is burning my eyeball straight to hell. Yes, it is. All right. If I am winking this eye, I am not winking at you, but if you want to think I'm winking at you, I'm winking at you. But it's really glue. Okay, so here it is. I am going to pull it up on my phone, my account on my phone, because I can look at my products. I'm assuming they sent me the same ones. I could be wrong. I could have, I get to pick my selection for my Glam bag already. Ooh, okay. Let me pick it real quick. Go from there. Okay, so here's the bag this month. It's this cute little drawstring. Let's open her up. Again, this is the bag. I think the bag's adorable, but I've already seen it with the Plus, so. All right, the first thing I'm pulling out is this, and it's open. So here we go. This must be About Face Light Lock Gloss, and it's in the shade Angel on Fire. Oh, why is she on fire? It's $20, and oh, that's pretty. I like the packaging a lot. It says, this icy mauve gloss is made with nourishing oils like peppermint, lavender, and coconut, which means it leaves your lips soft and shiny, never sticky. Okay, so let's open it up. The doe foot applicator is quite small, which I don't mind. I like a gloss with a small doe foot applicator. When I get those big doe foot applicators that look like a thumb, I feel weird putting it on my lips. There is the color. I think that's really beautiful. And I will wear it and love it. I don't remember what I chose, but I'm sure it tells me what I chose. So let me see. What did I choose? Oh, I picked the gloss. Perfect. Okay. The next thing is this, and this is the Murad Renewing Eye Cream, and I have used this. I also think I got this for my Open Studios this month. This retails for $82 stupid dollars, and it says this hydrating eye cream treatment helps brighten, minimize fine lines, and reduce puffiness in one step. Okay, so it's an eye cream that does all the things that eye creams are supposed to do, and here it is. Okay, so I got the eye cream, then let's see. The next thing is this Real Her You Are Golden Power Wear Ombre Bronzer. Ombre Bronzer, that's a new one. Okay, and this is Clean Beauty, so it's made with clean ingredients. It is valued at $30. Give your skin an instant glow with this natural looking bronzer. The silky smooth powder blends like a dream, and long wear formula is infused with antioxidants to help protect your skin. All right, well, we'll be the judge of that when we use it all the time. I love bronzer. I am a bronzer kind of gal. I like bronzer, I like blush. I always say like, oh, this is my favorite product or that's my favorite product. But I think they're all my favorite products, honestly. Well, that's pretty. Okay, so here is the packaging, and I don't see an ombre. It does have a mirror in the top, and here is the product. Do you see an ombre? I don't, but okay. It does have, it looks like it has like a little shimmer in it, but it's more of a sheen than a shimmer. It's right here. Yeah, that is a natural bronzer, if I say so myself, which is fine because that way you can build it up, and then in the winter, if you don't pack a lot of bronzer on like I do, you'll look like you have a bit of color rather than a fake ass tan. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is, I believe, since I'm not looking at it, it's an eyebrow pencil. It is. Okay, so this is by Araceli, and it's in soft black. Oh, you guys probably can't see it. It's in soft black, and it's valued at $17. This soft black pencil has an ultra fine tip and waterproof finish that makes it easy to create fuller, thicker brows that won't smudge or fade for hours. I just got a new eyebrow pencil from Medusa's Makeup. Oh my God, it's my favorite eyebrow pencil I've ever used, and I've been a person that has been stuck on. That is the dumbest packaging ever. They like only put this on the top, on the tip. I hate the word tip, but they only put it on the tip and it still just came off. So anyway, I love the micro brow pencil from NYX. And ever since I got, look at this. Look how much is out of it already. But you can't push it back in because it's always screwed to the top. Anyway, I got the, oh, this is hard as could be. Well, that's terrible. There it is. That's terrible. Horrible. No good. Very bad eyebrow pencil. I mean, I'm sure I could warm it up, but even though it's not warmed up, it's like, it's not very opaque, and it hurt like hell scratching that on my hand. So can you imagine on your eyebrows? I don't have enough hair on my eyebrows for me to scrape on eyebrow pencil because I barely have any hair. So scraping on an eyebrow pencil will just tear out more hair, and I can't afford to lose more hair. Okay, and last but not least is this. And this is the Dose Posh Powder Palette. And this is probably stupid expensive. It's $55. Get your end of the summer glow all in one go. End of the summer glow all in one go. These ultra luminous blush and highlighter shades are designed to flawlessly blend together. I love the inside packaging of the Douche. It's not douche. I always say douche, and then I regret saying douche because it's so, like, who just like word vomits douche out of their mouth? Me. I just said it 3 times in a row. Okay, anyway, I love the packaging on the inside. It's like a beautiful red. It used to be like this scarlet red, but now they changed it to a more like deep red. I still like it, but I like the scarlet better. Ooh, okay, we got a big mirror right here, and then here are the shades. They're pretty. I love that shade right there. Get on my face. Okay, so let's real quick swatch. I love blush. I love highlighter. I'm not like one of those people that highlights like my entire face, but I do like highlighter. I like to put it like on the apples of my cheeks and swipe it up a little bit so I look a little glowy right there, but I'm not like a huge highlight girl. Oh, the swatches aren't great, to be honest, but there they are. I'm sure you can make it work. The blushes are pretty. This one's a little bit orangey, which I am tempted to put that on my face right now. So, all right. So that was my last product for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I received the Deuce Posh Powder Palette, the Real Her You Are Golden Bronzer, the About Face Lip Gloss, the Murad Renewing Eye Cream, and the Hard as Hell Arceli Eyebrow Pencil. Let me give you an overall value of the products that were in my box. The overall value of my Glam Bag Plus is $204. That is a really big value for this box. A lot of it is the Murad eye cream. I love getting eye cream. I need to make sure that my eyes stay looking young because I feel like they're not. I want something for the corners of my mouth. Do I have food in the corner of my mouth? No. I want something for the corner of my mouth. I feel like that's the part of me that's looking old. Probably because I'm scowling all the time. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. Let me know what you got in your Glam Bag Plus. Did you get what I got? Are we box twins? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys are doing really well. I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.